Lotus souffle cake. 1. Whipping cream. Put it in the fridge the first, so that we can make when we hit it, the cream comes out very fast. It will take from you like just a minute. 2. Crunch some Lotus biscuits. Then we're gonna add melted butter into it. Take some of it and keep it aside, so we're later going to spread it on the cake itself once it's done. So this is how it will be. It will be like the milk will turn into some kind of cream. Yeah, that's how I could tell you. Creamy milk. Next, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of Lotus cream or spread. I use this myself. Next, add our creamy milk to the Lotus and keep whisking it until they mix. This is how it will look like once it's completely mixed up. Now add 3 egg yolks, a tablespoon and a half of vanilla, and 3 pinches of salt, and just mix it up. Once you're done, pour it into something like this and spread it across. It will look a little bit dark after you add the butter. Now you have your base. Now to start with our cake. First, add a tablespoon of butter and then 3 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour. You should get something like this. Now on the mixture of all-purpose flour and unsalted butter, add 2.5 cups of cold milk or room temperature milk, and keep whisking it until it thickens. Take out the whipping cream from the fridge and start beating it until it becomes cream. Since it's cold, should not take much time. Once it thickens a bit, add a tablespoon and a half of sugar. Now add your cream to the Lotus mix and to the Lotus cake, and just mix it, and then gradually add everything. Okay, so once you're done, add all your cake mixture to the base, which has the Lotus biscuit done. Then just preheat your oven, and once you're done, just put this into the oven. Inside your oven, make it only heat from bottom, only from down. Don't open the top, heat from top, just from bottom. Okay, and there it goes. Just from the bottom, the heat. Keep it for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I will see you. Just keep in mind that after 20 minutes it will just rise up a bit and then go down. That's fine. That's all we need. We don't need it to rise up actually. It has to rise down. It has to stay down. Okay, so this is how it should look after the out of oven. You're gonna just let it cool down in a room temperature for 5-10 minutes, and then you're just gonna keep it in the fridge overnight. For the Lotus sauce, we're gonna add like a cup of whipping cream and 3 tablespoons of Lotus. I'm gonna mix it on a very low heat. Okay, so once the sauce really mixes, once the whipping cream and the Lotus spread really mixes, you should get something like this. Your cake, I have removed the covering, and I have actually removed the the things that were on the side. Now I'm gonna put the sauce on the cake. So I spread the sauce over the cake, and now I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for around an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours in the fridge. So the last thing, after it comes out of the fridge, you remember these things, the little biscuit we kept off on the side? Just take it and just sprinkle a little bit around it. And you are done. This is your Lotus cake. Enjoy it.